Hello everyone and welcome again to my channel. My name is Rovimba and today we're going to be talking about heart sounds. So what are heart sounds? Heart sounds are just sounds heard when valves of the heart close, also known as the lap tap sounds. So normal heart sounds, we have the first heart sound, which is heard when AV valves, also in full form atrioventricular valves, close, marking the beginning of the systole ventricular contraction. That's when the first heart sound is heard. And we have the second heart sound, which is heard when semilunar valves, aortic and pulmonary close, making the end of systole and the beginning of diastole ventricular relaxation. Now we have the third heart sound, which may be heard in a normal person and it may be pathogenic as well. And we have the fourth heart sound, which is always pathological and it is not normal at all. And we also have abnormal heart sounds called murmurs. So heart murmurs are unusual heart sounds, often described as a whooshing or blowing sound caused by turbulent blood flow through the heart valves or near the heart. They can be either innocent or murmurs which are not caused by a heart condition, or pathological murmurs which can indicate a heart problem. And we have abnormal heart sounds besides murmurs include extra heart sounds, as I've said from the start, the third heart sound and the fourth heart sound. And we often use stethoscopes to listen to heart sounds, and doctors use stethoscopes and to listen to heart sounds. So this is just a summary of the heart sounds. We're not going to go into detail since this is a less than a 5-minute video, and at the end of this I'm going to make you listen to the heart sounds and then you can get a basis. So thank you, bye.